Have you ever stumbled across a YouTube channel so disturbing or harmful that you thought, why is this still online? Maybe it was spreading dangerous misinformation, engaging in cyberbullying, or stealing content from hardworking creators like yourself. And maybe you felt frustrated, unsure if there was anything you could do to stop it. Well, guess what? There absolutely is a way, and today you will learn precisely how to report a YouTube channel correctly, effectively, and safely. Reporting channels isn't just about getting rid of content you dislike. It's about protecting yourself and others from genuine harm. Did you know YouTube currently has over 800 million active channels? To put it into perspective, that's more channels than the entire population of Europe combined. With such massive numbers, it's impossible for YouTube to manually catch every violation immediately. That's exactly why your voice matters. But here's the big question. When should you report a channel? First off, let's clear up a crucial misconception. Reporting isn't meant for disagreements or differences of opinion. It's meant for violations of clear community guidelines. Things like hate speech, harassment, scams, graphic violence, child safety issues, or copyright theft. Have you ever experienced cyberbullying firsthand or watched someone close to you suffer from harassment online? Imagine discovering a YouTube channel targeting young individuals with bullying content. Wouldn't you want to stop them? This isn't hypothetical. It happens daily. Or perhaps you've encountered a channel stealing your original videos and reposting them without permission. Imagine the frustration of seeing your hard work monetized by someone else, profiting off your creativity. Let's say you stumbled onto channels promoting dangerous misinformation, such as fake medical cures that could actually harm viewers. Would you feel compelled to take action to prevent potential tragedies? Fortunately, YouTube provides clear tools for exactly these scenarios. But do you know how to use these tools properly without accidentally misreporting? Let's break down precisely how to do it. If you're on desktop, first navigate directly to the channel's homepage. Once there, click on the About tab. Have you ever noticed that tiny flag icon hiding in the bottom right corner of the About page? That's exactly where your reporting journey begins. After clicking this flag, a simple menu appears, prompting you to select the exact reason you're reporting the channel. Choosing accurately is crucial. Add a clear and concise explanation in the provided box to help YouTube moderators fully understand the situation. But what if you're using the YouTube mobile app? Is the process any different? Thankfully, it's just as simple. Open the problematic channel, tap the three dots at the top right corner, then choose Report User. Again, select your specific reason and explain your concern clearly before hitting Submit. Now, an important clarification. Reporting an individual video differs from reporting an entire channel. If a single video violates rules, always report that specific video first. But what if a channel consistently posts harmful content across multiple videos? That's when you report the entire channel itself. But what happens after you hit Submit? Does your report simply vanish into a digital abyss? Or does YouTube actually look at it? You might be surprised to learn that every valid report is reviewed by actual human moderators at YouTube. Consider these statistics. In 2022 alone, YouTube removed over 5.6 million channels due to community violations reported by regular users like you. Your report genuinely lead to real-world consequences. Still worried about retaliation? Here's a reassuring fact. YouTube maintains absolute anonymity for reporters. The channel owners you report will never know your identity. Doesn't that make you feel safer in stepping up to protect others? But wait, what about false reporting? What if someone reports channels maliciously? YouTube has strict penalties against users abusing the reporting system, including potential suspension of their own accounts. Always ensure you're reporting accurately and truthfully to avoid such repercussions. Are you uncertain whether a specific type of content violates guidelines? YouTube's extensive help center clearly outlines every violation, so you can double check before reporting. Did you know such clear guidelines existed? Let's consider another real life scenario: copyright infringement. Imagine you created a viral tutorial video only to find it reposted elsewhere without your permission, monetizing your hard work. Would you report the channel or the video directly? This is scenario using YouTube's dedicated copyright reporting tool is far more effective than general channel reporting. Understanding the correct reporting pathways ensures quicker, more targeted results. What if a channel is reported from multiple countries simultaneously? Interestingly, YouTube tends to prioritize these types of reports. That means global action often leads to quicker outcomes. So, encourage others genuinely affected to join you in reporting. Have you heard myths claiming that using VPNs or fake accounts can speed up the review process? That is absolutely false. YouTube easily detects artificial reporting and might even ignore legitimate concerns if deceptive practices are suspected. For parents, reporting channels endangering children or teens online is particularly crucial. Every quick action you take helps protect countless vulnerable viewers. Ever reported a channel but felt like nothing changed? You're not alone. Many users feel frustrated due to delayed responses. Remember, YouTube's investigation can take time because moderators perform careful reviews. Still unsure if reporting really makes a difference? Consider channels repeatedly flagged for severe violations. They often face channel strikes, monetization suspension, or permanent bans. Here's another hook. Did you know your feedback can help improve YouTube's reporting tools themselves? The platform actively encourages user suggestions, continually refining reporting processes based on your input. Is reporting censorship? Absolutely not. Reporting ensures accountability, protecting the digital community from genuine harm. Did you realize that YouTube actively supports responsible reporting by users? Your vigilance helps maintain fairness and safety across the platform. If you remain silent after seeing serious violations, who benefits? Only the harmful creators profiting off unchecked wrongdoing. So, always choose action over silence. Still have doubts about reporting effectiveness? Millions of users worldwide have successfully made YouTube safer through accurate, responsible reporting. What about educational or documentary content mistakenly flagged as violations? Fortunately, YouTube also allows creators to appeal wrongful reports. This ensures fair treatment across the board. Now consider this. Reporting channels posting misinformation around critical topics like health or safety can genuinely save lives. Imagine protecting even one viewer from dangerous false claims. Wouldn't that feel rewarding? Let's recap. Report clear guideline violations accurately, patiently await outcomes, avoid false reporting, and encourage affected friends to join genuine reports. Your reports, when done responsibly, genuinely shape YouTube's future, making the platform safer for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Let's continue working together to keep YouTube a safer place for creators and viewers alike. Will you choose to act or stay silent the next time you see serious violations? Because your action could genuinely make all the difference.